Hello. Today we are going to paint this cute cactus. You need a sheet of paper and some colored pens. Let's go. We start in the lower half of the paper. Here we first paint the flower pot. Watch me draw for a moment, and then you draw it on your own piece of paper. If the video is too fast, pause it for a moment. And when you've painted everything, you can continue the video. The flower pot is ready. Now I paint 3 hearts in it. If you don't like hearts, then don't paint them. Or replace them with circles or stars. There are absolutely no limits to your imagination. I really like the flower pot. Now I paint the face. And after that, the cactus. I'll start with the round eyes. First, I draw 2 very large circles. And in this I draw a very small, a slightly larger circle and finally a small circle again. It's easy. You can do it at least as well as I can. My cactus also gets a laughing mouth. I paint it in the middle under the eyes. The drawing looks better and better. But we still need the cactus body. That's what we're painting now. After that, our cactus looks exactly like the small picture at the top right. As you can see, I leave a gap at the top of the head. This is where the party hat is painted. That's why we're going to paint the party hat now. When you're ready, you'll be able to move on. Now let's paint the cactus arms. We start with the left cactus arm. And then it immediately continues with the right cactus arm. Do you place your arms like I do? Or do you paint both arms the same size and at the same height? Now the eyebrows are missing. Then our cactus drawing is almost ready. But before we start coloring, I paint a few stripes in the party hat. If you don't like stripes, then don't paint them. Or replace them with hearts, circles, or stars. I am very happy with my hat. I think it turned out really well. To make my cactus even more beautiful, I paint a few curved lines in it. That's where I'll place the spines later when coloring. There is no right or wrong when it comes to painting. Absolutely everything that pleases the artist is allowed. And if you paint along, then you are the artist. And you can design your image the way you want. As always, I used a pencil to thicken the outer lines of my cactus. So I like my cactus even better. If you want, you can watch me coloring the picture. This part of the video is a bit faster. Then you can see how I colored my picture piece by piece. You'll see the colors I used. And you can also see that I don't just paint a surface once. Sometimes I paint over it a second or even third time. When I do this, I usually don't use the same color again, but use a lighter or darker one. And sometimes, when you mix very different colors together, you even get completely new colors. This is really amazing. Why don't you give it a try? For example, color everything with a green color. And when you're done, paint over the green with a yellow color. Or paint over the green first with green and then with a blue color. Do you see what happened? Painting is not just painting. Sometimes it's a real experience. It's fun. And if a nice result comes out, then painting makes you really happy. Well, at least that's how I feel. I wish you a lot of fun and success in experimenting with colors. And thank you for watching my video. I hope you enjoyed it. See you.